everyone, this is Happy Plenty. As you know, today I'm taking over Untitled Chapter's Instagram account. Just answer your questions about peace lilies. Before we dive into your questions, let's start with some basics. First, peace lilies are one of the best air purifier plants in nature, which you can even place in your bedroom as they releases oxygen at night, not carbon dioxide like other plants do. Second, they also purify the air from carbon monoxide and from some toxins like benzene, formaldehyde. Both triggers the allergies on us. So one plant can what else to do? Cooking, cleaning the floors. Let's see your questions now. If your plant has stopped blooming and or turned into green completely, it means they need light and food. If you increase the light to bright indirect light and fertilize every 2 to 3 weeks with good humidity level, then your plant will start blooming. Check also the size of the pot. If it is too big, then your plant is going to grow into the soil instead of moving up. Lastly, follow the bloom stalk to the base and cut it off. This will encourage the plant to produce new blooms. Times a week you should water. One of the great advantages of carrying a peace lily is the fact that it takes a bit when it needs water. Essentially, it tells you that I'm thirsty, especially here moist. If it is located on a cold place like AC, then the tips can turn brown and then black quickly. Also, if the soil became dry, same black tips happen. In this case, cut the tips and check these two. In general, to have a peace lily with several lovely flowers, formula is so easy. Find a nice place for this princess. Make her happy with light, humidity and fertilizers, and don't make her drown in water. Giving water once in a week would be enough. Thank you for watching us. See you next week.